Hi, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Hey, let's take a look at a trade that we had this morning in SanDisk, SNDK. Look at this here, what's it opening? Now, what you can't see here is it was down 7.2% at opening, and then, so that was running down like this, and then it started to do what we call a pullback sell, also known as a bear pullback. You want to know more about that, you can go to our site right here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and then right here to Chart School, and it's all free. Here's a description of it right there, and there is a picture of a pullback sell or bear pullback where it runs down. Again, most of that was in pre-market in this case, and runs back up and now starts to roll over. Bearish formation. Hey, we do have a class coming up tonight, Thursday, if you want. There's our first one. It's on training infrastructure, all that stuff you need to trade, everything from monitors to computers to brokers to software for charting, everything. We go into it, and it's about a 40-minute presentation. If you'd like to go, we have one tonight. That's Thursday at 9 o'clock p.m. That's Eastern Time, or tomorrow, Friday, at 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Time, or 10:30 Saturday morning. And if you could get one of these, you can just click on one of the one that's appropriate for you, sign up, and you can join us in that class. And about 40 minutes long is all. Alrighty, back to our pullback sell and our job right here on SanDisk. So here it is, it's rolling back up. Now I have to admit, I did not get into this trade at this point, but I had some folks in my trading room that did. They got in, and whoops, wrong way, and away we go. Let's see, and bam, there it was. It broke down, and some folks got in here right about $89.85, I believe is their entry. That was the right way to get in, or the proper place to get in. And that was low basing here for a little while. And I was in two other trades, which is why I missed this particular entry. But as it low based here a little bit, I got a trade ready to go. And bam, as it broke down here is where I got short at 87.45 on SanDisk SNDK. Alright, let's move this up and let's follow this trade now. Let's see what happened next. Oh, bam, bam. Okay, now it's down like 10% on the market, and it continued to fall down here. And look at that, still coming down, still coming down, falling. Look at that, bam, bam. Look at it all the way to 94.28. Ooh, now when you have an extension like that, and it was a big volume, that could mean that we have now hit a bottom here, so you need to be careful. And I'm pulling my stop down here using this 8 EMA, exponential moving average, on the 1-minute chart, and I'm putting my stop just above that. If you notice, it's honored it all the way down, hasn't even been close to it as it fell so hard. Oh, it comes back up to it. Alright, again, resistance on right here, my stop, got my stop, and then boom, popped up here and got me out at $95.12 on this for a total of 2.3% in 15 minutes. Whew, not a bad 15 minutes worth of work, huh? And then what happened after that? It did start to reverse here a little bit, and that's okay. We got our 2.3%. Happy with that. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. As one of our members said today, good old Dr. Mike, there's a lot of bold traders out there, and there's a lot of old traders out there, but there aren't very many bold, old traders. Trade well and trade safely.